is Hera, and today I'm here with my cousin
Alsida.
and today is our first video. We are gonna have so much fun. So Alsida, what are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna play Twin Telepathy Slime Challenge. It will be so much fun.
Oh, this sounds fun, but how does it work?
We will do rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and the person who wins has to pick an ingredient. The other person has to read his mind and try to pick the same ingredient. If it picks the same ingredient, it will get the point. If it doesn't, I will get the point.
So we should begin for round one. Let's begin. So guys, it's round one and we have glitter glues here. So let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who goes first? Dun 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 dun. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!
Yes, I win. Okay, so I will pick this one. Okay, now it's your turn.
I'm gonna pick this one, guys. 3,
2, 1.
No!
She picked the same.
So let's pour it into our bowl. Get out of here. Yes. Oh my gosh. So we are gonna mix the ingredients in the end of the video, guys. This is so hard.
Oh. So now we're done with this, and now we're gonna go to get the other glitters. Let me see anything. Did you do your selection?
Yes.
Okay, so now I'm going to pick this one. 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Yes!
She gets
Tricked
2 points.
Tricked you.
That's not fair.
Yeah, it is.
So now, guys, we're done with this, and now we're gonna get the other stuff,
Yay!
which are glitters. I love them.
I'm
Hello.
gonna pick this one.
Now it's my turn to pick. I'm going to pick this one. So 3, 2, 1. Yes! Yes! I have a point. Yes!
I wish
Finally! Because I'm going to do galaxy slime. Hello. So now it's time to pour our glitters in. I love it. I love this.
But I'm still winning. It's 2 to 1.
Ah.
Let's add the glitter. This looks so beautiful. It's round 4 and we have acrylic paint for our slimes. And yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, look at the pour.
So guys, this is round number 5 and we now have some clay over there. We have pink, we have blue and yellow. I don't really like yellow, but let's see. Very nice. I love it. Very nice. I will add all of it over there. It will make my slime amazing.
I think I decided how much I want to. So I think that's for me. That's done.
So guys, this is the final round. This is
Or
the
the
round.
last one.
Yeah, this is the round number 6. And here we're gonna have slimes. So we're doing the slime and then one of the slime to mix with this. You know, it's very nice. Drama please.
3, 2, 1.
Yes! No.
Oh my gosh, this is jelly slime.
I'm going to do something. I will add activator to my slime and then add it to this.
Yeah, I would probably do
Yeah,
that because
it will be more
So
nice.
let's mix it.
So let's add some white glue. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
And then let's add activator, and then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add this stuff. Okay? So let's get the white glue.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
So this is our
Final glue that we're gonna add.
Oh my god, this
It's hard. I open it. I did it. So I will let the glue.
and all.
3, 2, 1. Okay. Very hard. So guys, now I will add the activator. For the person who didn't know what is an activator, it's like this. You'll get to your mouth, which always was the closest.
But not Dash and Leonard.
Not. Only
No.
purple. This makes the slime nice.
Yeah.
So now I will add it here and then give it
If you add something else, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna add.
And now I'm gonna start
Why?
mixing my slime.
Oh my God.
So guys, this is my slime already.
What?
It's a little bit sticky, but
What? Mine is liquid. Okay, now it's getting more good. But yours is so activated. Mine is like liquid. What the heck?
A much activator. Like,
Yeah.
no, I don't want to do this.
You have to. Already put it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's staying blue. How is this happening? Oh.
Look at
Mine is the best slime ever.
No, look, my slime is more soft. It's
No,
more
it's
beauty.
stretchy. This
No,
looks like
no.
a world.
No, this is very nice.
No.
You know, you are going to decide.
Yeah, that's a
Which-
good choice.
Yeah, which slime is the winner? You're going to comment section down below. Which slime is
Comment
the
below.
winner? For me, you have to say hashtag purple is always nice. And for her, you have to say
No. And for me, you have to say hashtag world slime is the best. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you Infinite Office for sponsoring us and buy all these beautiful things. It was so fun today, and
yeah, I have
we'll
so much
see you
fun.
next time. Goodbye.